Hello, this is Decent Dog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit through this index card with just a pair of scissors and the index card. It's actually a pretty good, like, party game or something. And, well, the first thing that you need to do is fold your index card in half, like this. Make a good crease. And then you're going to cut starting from the fold right here. Make it kind of thin, and don't cut all the way off, just cut up to like the edge, and you're going to make a zigzag cutting pattern, and then you're going to start from the bottom of that. Cut up. Now you have kind of a zigzag, pretty much. And just keep on doing that over and over again until you have it all the way. I'm gonna do this kind of quickly. It's gonna be kind of messy, but that's okay. Remember, keep on making those zigzag thingy. And pause the video if you want, or if you need. And you should cut up until the end ends off with a little fold right here. See, there's the top, it folds. So now you have a little zigzag thing. And with that, you're going to not cut off this piece. You're going to cut the tops off. Don't cut up to the line. Just cut the tops off. Or if you want to make it nicer, it's going to be harder, you can stick the scissors inside of the little fold and cut up. But if you need to do it quickly, then I just cut off the tops. And then don't do the other end too. Cut off the tops. So there's this. And then now you have a real big circle that you should be able to fit through. Okay. I'm trying not to rip mine because, well, the thinner the line that you cut, the bigger the hole is going to be. So, well, see you later.